My students, and a very good morning to you all. Today we are going to cover a very small and very important topic which is called articles. So today we are going to get some knowledge about uses and omission of articles. So what are articles? As we have already read and already studied about articles, articles are words which are used before nouns. They give more information about the nouns. Articles show whether something is specific or general. As we said, they give more information about the noun. Therefore, these articles are also called determiners. Okay, so there are only three articles in English: a, an, and the. Okay, when we talk about types of articles, there are two types of articles: indefinite articles, where we find a and an. In definite articles, when we talk about definite articles, there is only one, the. Each type has a different use. Now we are going to discuss about the uses of these articles. So first of all, we are going to discuss about indefinite articles. When we talk about indefinite articles, there are only two: a and an, as we have already discussed. So a and an both are used before singular and countable nouns. Okay, singular and countable nouns. These are also used before general nouns. General nouns in the sense like book, boy, school, car, house. These are general words and we use a and an before these words. So where we use a, first of all, let's talk about this. Before consonant sounds, whenever we are going to read any noun which is singular and general and having consonant sound like book, b, then we use a before it because this having consonant sound. A boy, b, again we are going to use a before boy. A school, a car, a house, we use a before these general countable singular nouns. Okay, beta? Now, use of an. Before vowel sounds, we always use an. Again, two things are again going to be similar in this. Like these nouns are singular and these nouns are countable, but having vowel sound like apple, a sound. A sound gives you an. The article an will be used before apple because this is having a sound, vowel sound. Okay, an r, an orange, an egg, an mla. Now we are going to discuss about definite articles. Definite article is only having one word, the, and we use this the word before any specific noun. Specific noun meaning which is known by speaker and listener as well. Okay, I again say this: specific noun meaning which is known by speaker and listener both. Okay, so which are the uses of this article the are given under here, like unique things: the sun, the earth. We have always heard about the sun, the earth. Sun and earth never comes without the, so we use most of the time the sun, the earth, the ocean. These are unique things. And we also use the before rivers and mountain ranges: the Ganga, the Himalaya, okay, the Yamuna. And also we use the before some very famous books like the Ramayana, the Mahabharat, okay, the Bible, the Quran. Okay, superlative degree. When we use superlative degree, we again use the before that word: the best friend, the best student, likewise. Okay, so now we are going to talk about omission of articles, where we have to omit. Do not use articles before these things. When we talk about these words, which are these words? So before proper noun, whenever you are going to use any proper noun. Earlier we have discussed that the Ganga is also a proper noun, but this is actually having many tributaries. Okay, so we use the before Ganga, but when we talk about any proper noun, so proper noun like any name, yours name, my name, Ram, Lakshman, these words are not having any word, any article before it. Okay, second, before any language or subject name. Okay, whenever we are going to write the name of any subject, any language, we don't use any article before, neither a, an or the. Okay, before plural nouns, when we talk about plural nouns, we also don't use any article before. A and an can't be used because these are plural, but we don't even use the before these words. Okay, go further. Before abstract noun, when we talk about abstract nouns, honesty, sympathy, empathy, these words never use, we don't use any article before these words. So at the last, when we talk about meals like breakfast, brunch, lunch, supper, okay, dinner and supper, all the meals are not even having any article before it. Okay, this must be in your mind. Okay, now we are at the conclusion. I'm going to revise the whole topic within these three lines. Okay, articles are small but important words. Correct usage makes English clear and accurate. Knowing where to omit articles avoid mistakes. Keep these things in your mind and always do a justice with nouns with articles. Okay, beta? Thank you.